Hey, what's happening guys? Welcome to today's tutorial. What to do when you get these guys. How to pair them. It's not that hard. Couple steps. So first things first, you obviously take it out of this package. They come in this thing right here. You open it up and then you'll find two. Kapow. Once you take them out, you do this little simple thing. There's two buttons you see right here. Press and hold. And you see the lights flashing. Sometimes they take a little longer, but once they start flashing, double click on one of them. And once you see one flashing, that's your cue that both of these guys are paired together and they're ready to be paired to your phone. So once you grab your phone, go to your Bluetooth settings, and it's going to start scanning for it. And then once you see the TWS, you click on it, and it's going to connect, and it's ready to be used. That's pretty much it, guys. Other than that, this charging case, whenever they power off, you can put them in here, charge them. Once this light goes off, you might need to charge this. Super easy. There's a mini USB. You can find these pretty cheap online. I'll put a link to my favorite website, soundsgoodmanworldwide.com. You can get a bunch of different colors. You can get them in white. You can get them in black. You can get them in pink and gold. So hopefully you like this and enjoy. Bye.